Hello, I'm Lou from
Nerds and Geeks.
Nerds and Geeks, and this is an intro video to our new vlog.
You just saw Lou, who is my partner in crime for this project, and me and Lou, we are friends. We decided that we are going to do a tandem vlog where we just send videos back and forth discussing different topics. We have a few rules though. One, our videos can't be more than 42 hours apart unless there's like a reason. If it's Christmas, we're not going to upload a video, or if one of us is so sick we can't move or talk or whatever, of course we're not going to upload a video, because I'm pretty sure it wouldn't be all that interesting. Two, we have a time limit. Our time limit is 4 minutes. There are a few exceptions. When me and Lou do our tandem video, we do a video together every month. That can be more than 4 minutes. If we have a special guest, that can be more than 4 minutes. Or if we're reporting on a topic. If we're doing a topic that has a lot of concepts and ideas, well, it may not all fit in 4 minutes. So either we'll make 2 videos and upload them, or we'll just make one that's a little bit longer. And in the little info box at the bottom of the screen, we will be like, yeah, well, I couldn't fit it all in. I tried, but failed. As you can see, my video is more than 4 minutes. That's all I have to say for you guys today, but this is our first vlog video, and I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to this project, and I think this is going to be a lot of fun. Well, we'll see you guys soon. Talk to you then.